Welcome to Kryoni Journal Management System tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through the developer settings, focusing on how to manage and customize the email templates for different stage of the publishing workflow. First, let's see what are developer settings. The developer setting gives administrator complete control over the automated emails sent during the journal workflow. This ensures that the authors, reviewers, and editor always receive clear, consistent, and professional communication. Now let's go to the developer setting option. So under this journal setting, you will be seeing the developer setting option. Click on that. So you can see here the email templates are grouped into three main categories. One is pre-review, review, and another one is the production. Under the pre-review stage, the notification for the manuscript submission, initial screening, and the editorial review invitations will be there. Under the review section, emails for the reviewer invitation, feedback submission, and all the reminders, all the emails will be grouped here. Under the production section, the notification for the final proofing, production completion, publication updates will be there. Now let's see the example. Under the pre-review section, whenever the author submits the manuscript, the mail will be triggered. So I'm just going to that mail. So as you can see here, whenever author submits the manuscript, all the editorial user will be notified that a new submission has been received. So here the journal manager can configure to whom the CC to be and BCC to be. They can enter the email ID to whom this mail to be CC, and there's a subject and the mail template. This mail template is the default content. According to the journal guidelines and journal policy, they can change the mail template. For editing the mail template, just click on here and enter what content you need. And there's a variable section is also available. If you want to include the article name, author name, you can just copy paste the variable and paste it in the mail template content. So this is how we'll be editing the email template. The journal manager or editorial user feels this email should not be triggered. There's an active status here. They can just uncheck this box. So the email will not be triggered. So once after all the changes are made, you can just hit the option save. So now all the configuration has been completed. And that's it. Here just learned how to configure and customize the email template in Kryoni JMS. In our next video, let's see how the editorial process takes place. Thank you.